How to find sound ID on Roblox. Copy song ID, music ID, audio ID. To get started, go ahead and open Roblox Creator Hub. So click on Create on the roblox.com and that will take you to Roblox Creator Hub. And then once you're on Roblox Creator Hub, go ahead and head over into the Creations tab. So you'll find that at the left side of your screen below the Home button. So under the Creations tab, go ahead and head over into the Development items. And here, use the Audio filter and that will take you here. So in here, go ahead and select the audio and then click on the three dots at the right side of that audio name and then click on copy asset ID. So the ID that you've just copied is the sound ID of that specific Roblox song, music, or audio. And that is how you can basically find sound ID on Roblox.